Twyla from My Bilingual Life. I want to help you learn the numbers in Spanish. I don't usually spend a lot of time on the numbers in class because it's just a matter of learning vocabulary. And it's something that you can practice on your own time without having to use our class time to do it. But let me give you some suggestions. First, start with the numbers 0 through 20. Practice those numbers until you have them backwards and forwards. Make sure that you know those numbers. You'll find that you will know them in order, but if you start getting random numbers, it becomes a little trickier. One way that I suggest that my students practice them is with old-fashioned flashcards. See if you can read these flashcards and read the numbers. 2 más 5 son 7. So the plus is más, and equals can be son, which is are or is, or you could say igual a, equal to. I usually say son. 2 más 5 son 7. So practice with old-fashioned flashcards. You can find them for $1 at the dollar store or in the Target dollar spot. So make sure you know the numbers 1 through 20 very, very well. Randomly, backwards, forwards, make sure that you know those numbers. Then start learning the numbers by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, until you get to 100. I do have a video for that, so make sure to check that out. Once you have that down, then it's just a matter of filling in the blanks. 21 is 21, 21. 22 is 20 plus 2, 22. I do have a video that goes through the numbers all the way from 0 to 100. Listen to it a few times, make sure that you're seeing how the numbers fit together, and practice it. Once you know the numbers 1 through 100, then learn the numbers from 100 to 1,000 by 100. So 100, 200. English is pretty simple. In Spanish, there are a couple numbers that change a little bit, so pay attention. I have a video for that as well. I did not make a video counting all the way to 1,000. That's just too much. Because once you hit 100, 100 is 100. 101 is 101. 102. You just start over again. Same thing with 200. 201. 202. You just keep following the same pattern. So, first, learn your numbers 0 through 20. Second, learn your tens. Third, practice to 100. Fourth, learn the hundreds. The third and the fourth step, you could go either direction, whichever way you'd like. Then practice, write down a number in number form and see if you can name it. Get a random number generator and see what number it gives you and see if you can say the name. I hope that helps. Learning the numbers does take some time, but it's not really something that I like to spend class time working with. So this is something to practice on your own. Let me know if you're running into any problems, and I'm always here to help. I'll see you soon. Nos vemos.